Federal Reserve reading Jerome Powell at podium, Wall Street trading floor, inflation headlines fading out. A major shift may be on the way from the US Federal Reserve, as its chair Jerome Powell signals the central bank could be cutting interest rates as early as September. Powell speaking at a recent press conference. Jerome Powell said that we are seeing encouraging signs that inflation is returning toward our 2% target. If the data continues to support this trend, the committee may consider easing policy in the near future. It's a cautious but clear pivot, and what is street is listening. It's a cautious but clear pivot, and Wall Street is listening. US inflation date in decline chart 2022 to 2025. Inflation has already steadily declined over the past year. After peaking at 9.1% in mid-2022, the consumer price index has now fallen to 2.4%, the lowest level in these 3 years. Key categories like energy, food, and housing have all cooled, giving the Fed new flexibility after 2 years of aggressive rate hikes. Stock tickers rising, investors cheering, Nasdaq and S&P 500 green stars. The market surged in response. The S&P 500 jumped 2%, the Nasdaq hit a new yearly high, and bond yields dropped, reflecting optimism that borrowing cost may soon decline. Tech stocks and interest rate sensitive stocks like housing and consumer goods led the rally. Bank branches, mortgage applications, small business loan offices. A rate cut could mean lower cost for homebuyers, credit card users, and businesses, potentially fueling growth in the second half of 2025. Mortgage rates, which hovered above 7% earlier this year, are already dipping in anticipation. Job sites, factory floors, consumer shopping, and retail stores. The Fed's shift is also being driven by broader signs of a cooling but steady economy. Job growth still remain solid, wages and are rising modestly, and consumer spending is holding up. While recent fears have eased, Powell has emphasized the Fed's dual mandates, balancing inflation control with unemployment support. Fed future market expectation, probability of September cuts. According to futures market, there's now a 75% probability of a rate cut at the first September 18 meeting, with traders betting on 1 or 2 additional cuts year-end. However, Powell warned that future moves depend entirely on data and that any unexpected inflation spikes could pause and reserve course. Economists debating, news panels discussing policy impact. Some economists argue that the Fed should wait longer, noting the core inflation and housing cost remains sticky. Others believing easing too late could slow momentum heading into 2026, especially with global growth forecasts softening. Voters at town halls 2024 election campaign trails, and with the 2024 presidential election looming, the Fed's every move is under the microscope. Though Powell has repeatedly stressed the central bank's independence from political pressures. Wall Street bell ringing, Fed building economics headlines. For now, the message is clear. The era of rising interest rates may be coming to an end. But with global uncertainty and economic crosswinds ahead, the path forward remains anything but certain. Next Fed meeting September 18. Subscribe for real-time fundamental updates.